Locate the feeder pillar that will be connected to the column, and then utilising a cable avoidance tool, scan the ground to check for any hidden cables. Select a suitable location to position the column. Be sure to check for any potential overhead hazards. As this was a folding column, there had to be sufficient room available for the column to be lowered once installed. Using an insulated spade, shrub holder and a double-edged digging bar, dig a 1 metre hole, ensuring it is wide enough to provide a 100mm clearance around the sides of the column once inserted. Check the depth using a tape measure. Then expand the hole, creating a trench for the ducting to run. Here we were able to utilise the already installed ducting to run our cables, limiting the digging required and time spent on site. In a pair, carefully carry and place the column into position. Once in position, remove the door, ready for routing the cable later. Using a spirit level, orientate the column into the correct position and ensure it is perfectly vertical. Then pour the cement mixture around the base of the column. A punner can be used to spread the mixture. Insert some ducting into the base of the column and along the trench. As you can see, we connected our ducting into another duct, which was already present. Starting at one end, thread the cable through the ducting, guiding it out the other. If the cable is frayed and keeps catching, cover the end with some tape and it will help it pass through smoothly. Ensure to leave a good length of cable in the feeder pillar and column body, ready to be terminated by an electrician. Reposition the door back onto the column, clipping it into place. Using a shovel, begin to backfill the hole covering the ducting using the material that was excavated. Remember to compact the ground as you go. Once the duct can no longer be seen, place a strip of tape to one of the electrical cables 150mm below ground level. Then continue to backfill covering the tape and until the trench is full. Finally, tidy the work area, ensure it is left in a safe manner. The column is now ready to be terminated by an electrician.